show that the relation R in A is given as a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, given by R equal to set of all AB such that modulus of A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. Show that all the elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all the elements of set 2, 4 are related to each other. This is a question. One more part is there. No element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of set 2, 4. Question number 8, you can refer your textbook also, page number 6. See here, you have to show that this relation R is an equivalence relation. What do you mean by equivalence relation? A relation which is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive is known as an equivalence relation. That means you have to show that this is first one, R is reflexive. To show reflexive relation, what you need to show? You have to show that A comma A is an element of R for every A in the mother set. This is a basic definition. So, to show that A ordered pair A is an element of R, you have to come to the definition of R as per the question. As per the question, it is said that if AB is an element of R, that means you can write that modulus of A minus B is even. It is even. This is as per the question. So we can just write first what is modulus A minus A. Modulus A minus A. And before that, children, A minus B is even means you can also convert this to as modulus A minus B equal to 2 times lambda. Even means it can be a multiple of 2. Okay. An integer. So here you are getting it as 0 or it is 2 into 0. Therefore, A comma A is an element of R for every A in the mother set A. Symmetric, to check that you should know that is always a conditional statement. So you take the condition that let AB is an element of R. You have assumed, and what you have to prove is you have to prove that the ordered pair BA is also an element of R. So what you will write when AB is an element of R, you can write immediately modulus of A minus B is equal to 2 times lambda, where lambda is an integer. So removing the modulus means what you will get A minus B equal to plus or minus 2 lambda. Because we know that modulus x, it has got two values, plus x and minus x. Plus x when x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. So there are two values. When you remove the modulus, you are getting modulus x has got two values. So when I am removing this, we are getting two values. So that two values adjusted here, it is plus or minus 2 lambda. Next, what you have to find out is this means what is B minus A? Because we are going to check whether the ordered pair BA is in R or not. So B minus A means we are multiplying this equation by minus 1. So we'll get plus 2 lambda becomes minus 2 lambda and minus 2 lambda becomes plus 2 lambda. That means again you can say that modulus of B minus A is equal to 2 lambda. So that means that implies the ordered pair BA is an element of R. Implies that R is transitive. Transitive is also a conditional statement. So there you have to assume two ordered pairs. What is a conditional statement? Recollect, if AB, comma BC are elements of R, that implies A, comma C element of R. This transitive ordered pair. So when condition comes, you have to always assume the left hand side the condition and you have to prove the right hand side. So the condition here is if AB, comma BC an element of R. So that means you will assume the condition. That means you will use the word let. Let A comma B element of R and B comma C element of R. This is the assumption you have to do. Now that implies you immediately convert this assumption to the equation. As per the question, when AB is an element of R, modulus of A minus B is equal to an even number or it is 2 lambda, and ordered pair BC element of R means modulus of B minus C is equal to 2 times lambda. We don't take, we can take some K because this is another multiple of 2 or another even number. So lambda and K are integers. Now this implies immediately next step you change the modulus. That means A minus B equal to plus or minus 2 lambda and B minus C equal to plus or minus 2K. Next what you need to do? Next you have to just see whether A comma C is in R or not. That means we don't want this B. B you try to eliminate. That's a step. To connect A with C, you try to eliminate B. So what is the step for eliminating B from these two equations? Two equations we got.
We can add the two equations.
When you add plus or minus 2, I'm taking out and then you will get lambda plus K. And this is equal to plus or minus 2 mu, where mu equal to lambda plus K is another integer because lambda is an integer and K is an integer. A minus C equal to plus or minus 2 mu, where mu is an integer, and that means we are going back to modular sign. Modulus A minus C equal to 2 mu. That means the ordered pair. Which ordered pair? Ordered pair AC is an element of R. Therefore, R is transitive. Now, hence, that is R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation. You have the mother set as A equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other part given is that set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. The elements of 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. That means what you need to show? You have to show that 1 is related to 3. How do we show that 1 is related to 3 and 1 is related to 5? See here 1 comma 3 is an element of R because modulus of 1 minus 3 is even, or the difference of 1 and 3 is 2, which is even, and 3 is related to 1. 3 is related to 1 or the ordered pair 3, 1 is there in R. What do you mean by A is related to B? A related to B का मतलब ही ये है ordered pair AB is an element of R. So this concept we are using here, A is related to B means, or B is related to A means, ordered pair A and B, A comma B is an element of R. Then we say that A is related to B. If B comma A is an element of R, then we say that B is related to A. Now, according to question, you have to prove that, or you have to state that every element of set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. That means 1, you have to say that 1 is related to 3 as well as related to 5. So I have told that 1 is related to 3 because 1 comma 3 and 3 is related to 1, 3 comma 1 is even, and again 1 comma 5, 5 comma 1 is the difference is even. Again with 3 you start 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3 are the elements of R or of R because the difference between the coordinates between the elements. Okay, so these are the elements of R. Therefore, we can say that every element of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Of 2, 4 are related to each other. Next, you have to say that all the elements of 2, 4 are related to each other. How do we say? 2 is related to 4 means you have to say that 2 comma 4 is an element of R. And also 4 comma 2 is an element of R. Why it is so? Between two and 4 is even. Therefore, every element of set 2, 4 are related to each other. The difference is not even. Or in other words, you can write like this. 1 comma 2 not an element of R. So difference between the elements of 1, 3, 5 and set 2, 4 is not even. So this corresponding ordered pairs won't be there in R. So they are not related to each other. So that the mother set here it is set 1, 2, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And we have just taken 3 elements. The 3 elements 1, 3, 5. They were related to each other. We just now proved that the elements 1, 3, 5 are related to each other, and the elements, the other one is, you can see that the elements 2 and 4 are related to each other. Now, those elements which are related to each other, we can write it in a separate set. The set is One set we got it as 2, 4. Another set we got it as, what is that set? It is a set 1, 3, 5. Now this first set is the set of elements of the mother set, which is related to 2, you can say. So this set is the subset of the mother set. And what is the speciality of this set? They are related to each other. Or in other words, we can say that the set of all elements related to 2 is set 2, 4, and this concept we call it as a different name, which is known as equivalence class of 2, and is written like this. So that is equivalence class of 2. Equivalence class of 2 means the set of all the elements of the mother set which is related to 2 and is denoted like this. Set, it is an equivalence class of 1. We write like this. Equivalence class of 1 means it is the set of all elements of the mother set A which are related to 1. 1 के साथ क्या क्या रिलेटेड है? 1 के साथ 1 ही रिलेटेड है, 3 भी रिलेटेड है, 5 ही रिलेटेड है. So the equivalence class of 1 is set 1, 3, 5, and equivalence class of 2 is set 2, 4. 1, 8, 2, 4, 2, 7, 1, 2. What is the equivalence class of 1? Please write equivalence class of 1. That means equivalence class is a set. First of all, you should understand that it is a set. It is a set of all elements which is related to 1 under the relation R. So 1 के साथ related इधर मिल जाएगा 7. So 7 will be an element of 1. Then 1 के साथ related here मिलेगा 8. So 8 will be in the equivalence class. और 1 के साथ मिलेगा इधर 2. So 2 also will be an element of the equivalence class. It is just like your friends, children. 1 का friend होगा 7, 1 का friend होगा 8, 1 का friend होगा 2. So the friends, the group of friends, keep it in the set together is called the equivalence class of 1. Okay, so 2 is related to 1, 1 is related to 2, so 2 is also a friend of 1. Oh, sorry, equivalence class of 1. Now equivalence class of 2 means what will be that? It is set of all elements which is related to 2. 2 का friends कौन है? 2 का friends इधर मिलेगा 4. 2 का friend इधर मिलेगा 7. And इधर 2 का friend मिलेगा 1. Understood? So these are equivalence class of 2.